Designed to assist in the removal of diesel fuel filters from over 50 different engines are these Draper Expert two-piece diesel fuel filter tools. They're suitable for diesel engines ranging from 1.3 up to 3 litres, fitted to Chevrolet, Citroën, Fiat, Peugeot, Saab, Suzuki, Vauxhall and some Alfa Romeo engines. These two-piece diesel fuel filter tools enable you to service housing units without damaging them, and they'll also save you time. The process of using either tool is the same, only their design and application lists are different. Simply remove the old filter unit from the vehicle, and in conjunction with a bench vise, these essential service tools will allow you to open the filter housing unit to gain access to the fuel filter element without snapping the filter or its mounting bracket. Using a torque wrench on the 1/2" square drive caps allows you to tighten the filter housing correctly, avoiding potential and hazardous air and fuel leaks. Make diesel fuel filter changes quick and easy with these essential service tools.